man, that was sad. Why did I erase Nebula drawing? Well, because it was done on a whiteboard, and that's what you do, you draw and erase. But in this video, I'm going to show you how and why I drew Nebula and then erase it. So let's go back. So the trick to drawing on a whiteboard is you have to kind of do it all in one shot. The good thing about it is you can just wipe or erase it easily with a rag or even using your finger if you don't like what you just drawn. The bad thing about it is you only really have one layer. You can't really draw over what you've just drawn. Otherwise it would just gum up. But this will definitely teach you how to flow with your drawing once you get going. So who's this Nebula? She's a tough, angry, kick-ass assassin who's a sister of Gamera, a guardian of the galaxy. Their adopted father, Thanos, trained them to be super assassins by making them fight each other. Whenever Nebula loses to her sister, Thanos would upgrade her body parts. So she's kind of like half human, half Terminator. Anyways, long story short, Thanos, bad guy. Gamora, guardian of the galaxy. Nebula resented her sister, so they always fight. Did I mention the sisters fight each other? But that's not why I drew Nebula. Yeah. So when I draw a portrait, I would like to get to know that person, get to understand their character or get a feel of who they are, so that I can try to convey the essence in the drawing. In this case, while drawing Nebula, I tried to imagine that I was in the future in some faraway outpost, at some bar where killers for hires are hanging out. And I would just say that, hey, I'm a fan. I want to draw a portrait of you, so I would like to ask you a few questions. If she's agreeable, the first question I would ask her is, how's your sister? Yeah, that's probably not a good question. So the second question I would ask her is, what are the parts of your body that have been enhanced? Yeah, actually that's probably not a good question either. Our voice won't survive that meeting. Hey, but look, the drawing is done. As you can see, it's far from accurate, but hey, you're drawing with an Expo pen. So that's it. Drawing on a whiteboard is a lot of fun, and you can draw and erase as many times as you want. You learn how to let go of things. People say that life is always changing and most things are not permanent. So don't get attached to your drawings. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.